we like call it spiritual eye. I like call it spiritual eye, but there's the English they call it. So when you're moving around, you might see something. The other person beside you will also be looking at that thing, but is not getting the idea. Has that thing happened to you?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
For example now, like what doctor was saying about acquiring skills. So I used to be, or I'm still a sculptor. So if I see wood, maybe a cut down tree wood or whatever wood that is abandoned on the road, I start seeing a form in that wood. If you are working with me and I say, this thing, there's something in this wood, you will say, what is there? It's not just a wood that is abandoned wood on the floor. You will not see what I'm seeing. So recycling will help you start seeing form in waste. Now that's where you start creating your value. Do you understand me? So 5 years ago, when you see tire on the floor, you take it as it's not just tire, dirty tire. By the time you are done with this class, you start seeing tire as a resource, no longer as. Now looking at this, it's not making any sense, but we are going to make sense in this now. Today we are going to learn how to make Ottoman. What did I say?
Ottoman.
Yes. So we're going to learn how to make Ottoman with our tire. And the materials you'll be needing for this is very simple for you to get. You go to the summer, you get them. You'll be needing your foam. So today we'll be working with half-inch foam. So based on the volume of your foam, you will know the size. This is half-inch. If it's times 2 of this is 1 inch. Do you understand? If it's 3 of this is 1.5 inch. So that's how you count it. So this one on the floor here is 2 inch. You'll be needing your plywood, 3/4 plywood. So depending on the size of tire you want to work with, you determine the cost of the plywood. So I'm working with, I think it should be size 15 or 16. So I'm working with size 23 of my plywood. You'll be needing your stick gum. You'll be needing your saw. If you can't cut, it's not compulsory. Please go and give it to a carpenter to help you cut. So for this is a screwing machine. I believe some persons should have this. So like I said before, if you cannot afford this for now, you can go and rent. They used to rent. You can rent for a day and use it to do whatever you want to do. And if you know you don't want to rent, you can use your screwing machine and your screwdriver. You know screwdriver, right? That one will be in a manual form. So this is just to ease the stress while you are applying the pressure for the screw nail. I think that's basically what we'll be needing. You'll be needing your gum tacker for this. This is very important. We'd like to buy from you. If your product is Approach Velvet, we'd like to buy from you. Do you understand me? So you need to have a niche to be able to sell your product. So I'll be using Ankara today for our practical class. This is called castor leg. We'll be needing this. We all know what this is, isn't it? No. Chair leg.
Chair leg.
For chair. So we'll be needing this for our projects. You'll be needing a stick gum. You know what a stick gum is, Abby? Shoemaker gum. So these are things you can get at the sawmill. It's not difficult. I just brought this one in case I need to apply some pressure. So these are basically what you'll be needing for this work. So let's go straight into the practical class. storage box. You can use to put anything you want to put. At the same time, you can also sit on it. At the same time, you can also use it to decorate your space in your house. Anywhere you can place it. So we've come to the end of today's class. Thank you.